afternoon, saints. It is Wednesday. I just came from church. Praise God. It's Wednesday, May 22nd, 2019. It's been about 3 weeks. I've been filming, but I keep forgetting to post. Okay. And so since I'm 3 weeks behind, I didn't want to throw a video. These bugs is getting me. Let me move away. I didn't want to put a video out here that was that old, so I figured I'd just wait and film. So as you can see, let me get it turned right. We got a lot of growth. So let's see what we got. Okay, look at this. I know it's a huge difference from the last video that I posted. But I'll put everything in the description box of what I have here. We do have sunflowers. It looks like we're about to get flowers in the top. Look at that. And this is awesome. Look at this. Oh, this one's closed. Okay, and then look at that. Yay. The only concern I have right now is the leaves are yellowing. And I don't know. When I read about it, it was saying, oh, it could be too much water, not enough water, lack of nutrition, too much heat, the bugs. I mean, it wasn't definitive, so it's kind of hard to figure out what's going on. So I've started watering them in the morning and the daytime, especially these big ones like the sunflowers and the squash down here. I've been doing both. But here we go, these 5 buckets. We have the watermelon, which is going nuts. And I want to show y'all if I could find one. When I watered it this morning, I noticed sometimes that the little watermelon will start to grow on it, but like this one, but the flower will die, which means it's not going to produce. And I wait for another one like this one. When this flower opens up, and I don't know which one is the male, which is the female, I can't remember. But see, this is the one with the watermelon on it. But you notice this flower down here doesn't have one. So I have to manually pollinate it because we don't have many pollinators here. Ooh, all these ants, child. I've been spraying, but never ending battle. So I take a Q-tip and I go from here to over here to the one when it opens. So I got a few of them, and I'll show you that process when I do it. And these are wildflowers, and the green peppers are in there somewhere. I don't know. And look at all this flower we got on the tomato. Same thing with the squash. We got yellowing leaves, but we do have flowers. Now I know all these are probably not going to produce just fine, but same thing, yellowing leaves. Even the bottom of the tomato here, the Roma, got yellowing leaves. So I can't figure out what it is right now. Got another flower coming up. Look at that. And I had one on the other side that was open this morning. Where's it at? Oh, here it is. But see, look at this. I don't know if this thing is dying or not, but I did fertilize it. Oh, look, see this one? And it's a bunch of them in here. Look at that right there. Right there. And this is the chard. Look how ridiculous. I did harvest it. I promise you I did. A couple times. But I need to come back out and cut. That's our spinach. And some of them are looking, I got to prune this thing back too. And these are the wildflowers. And this right here is the cinnamon basil. Oh, we got some little wildflowers going. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's a dead bucket. I have to replant. I hadn't made up my mind what I'm going to plant. And of course, that thing. Anyway, this is an update. I'm hoping we get at least one squash per plant, maybe. Maybe. And if you have any questions, comments, put them in the comment box below. Love y'all. God bless. Y'all have a great day.